Namaste and hello. This is TrendyTechnoTalks. In this series, we are talking about intelligent automation. So, what is intelligent automation? As we have already seen that an organization is made of people, process, and technology. So, when automation of the people work, process, and technology happens in an organization, it is known as intelligent automation. In technical terms, we can say intelligent automation is the use of automation technologies like robotic process automation, that is RPA, BPM, that is business process management, artificial intelligence, and multiple other supporting technologies like process mining, task mining, workflow management, intelligent document processing, that is IDP, machine learning, and as I already said, artificial intelligence to streamline and scale decision making across organizations. It is just like having a super smart assistant who can handle complex tasks, learn on the job, and work non-stop. So, intelligent automation can be said as the end-to-end automation journey in an organization, which includes the automation of people's work, process, and technology. Thank you.